Hello everybody, it's Ely with Ely Farms, and I'm here today with a fun springtime recipe. We're making some pickled asparagus tortilla wraps, and as you can see right here, we've got some different ingredients. We've got a tortilla, 8-inch tortilla. We already spread some cream cheese, and we also put some shredded cheddar cheese and some pimentos on that. So we did that ahead of time. This is all ready to go. All we're going to do is lay our ham right on top of the shredded cheese and pimentos and cream cheese on the tortilla. We're going to take some Ely Farms pickled asparagus spears. As you can see right here, you can get a couple, 2-3 spears, lay them on here, and then really wrap that up as tight as you can. So we're going to get a nice tight wrap on this. And then we've got some toothpicks here ready to go. Everything here feels real good. We're just going to stick those toothpicks all the way down this tortilla, about 1 inch apart all the way down it. And then we're going to go ahead and we're just going to slice up our appetizer. So I've got a knife ready to go here. I'm going to do one more toothpick here on the end. And as you can see here, we're just going to go ahead and slice the end off. Just move that out of the way. And just like that, we've got our appetizers ready to go. You can see how nice those look. They are extremely delicious. And what you can do is just go ahead and when you've got that part of the process wrapped up, you can put them on a plate or a dish. You can stick them in the refrigerator, and they're ready to go for your springtime event. So, graduation season's right around the corner. It's a fun appetizer idea for that, and just want to wish everybody a happy spring.